Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Chevy's 2002 to 2009 Trailblazer. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting this repair. Step 2. Lift and support the vehicle. Remove the front wheel on the side being repaired, then remove the fender liner to access the frame near the front body mount. Step 3. This repair section covers approximately 30 inches of frame, including the area containing the front body mount, transmission crossmember, and frame reinforcement gusset. If any component or the frame beneath it is compromised, remove the affected component. If the components and frame are acceptable, remove the required perforations from the repair section. If the reinforcement gusset will not be removed, a large amount of material must be removed from the repair section. Confirm that the frame beneath the gusset remains structurally sound before proceeding. Step 4. Grind away any slag, debris, or excess metal to create a smooth surface. Spray this surface with weld-through primer. Step 5. Once dry, slide the repair section over the factory frame. No cuts are required on the main frame rail. Align the repair section using the factory frame holes. Clamp it securely so there are no gaps between the repair section and the frame. If the perforations for the reinforcement gusset and body mount were removed, position the repair section as frame plates rather than as a complete slide-on section. Step 6. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the repair section in place. Remove the clamps, then fully weld all seams between the repair section and the frame rail. If the factory cab mount, transmission crossmember, or reinforcement gusset were removed instead of using the perforations, install the replacement components now and weld the perforation lines. Step 7. Finally, paint the repair section, work area, and all remaining bare metal with rust protectant. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. If the body mount was replaced, install the bushing and lower the body. If the transmission crossmember was replaced, reinstall the transmission. Reinstall the fender liner and front wheel, then lower the vehicle.